Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to solve another problem from array section of GFG. So let's move on the portal and see which problem we are going to solve today. So let's move. So our today's problem is missing number in an array. So the problem statement is given an array of size n-1 such that it contains distinct integer in the range of 1 to n. So we have to find the missing element. So our number of element is 5 and the numbers are 1 2 3 5. So the missing number is 4, and if the our number of element is 10 and the numbers are 6 1 2 8 3 4 5 7 10 5, so our output will be 9. So let's understand how 9 is the output of this problem. So in this problem, our n is 5 and the elements in the array is 1, 2, 3, 5. So we have to find the missing number. So we sort an array in the ascending order firstly and then traverse from starting of the array to end of the array and check which number is not present in the array. So we start from 1, whether 1 is present in the array or not. So 1 is the present in our array. So next move, and in the next move we check 2 is present and our array is not. 2 is present and then 3 is present, and when we move on the next element we find 5. So here 4 is not in the array, so our output will be 4. 4 is the missing element in our array 1 2 3 5. So let's apply this approach on the another problem. So this is the our next problem. Here the number of element in the array is 10. Array's element are 6 1 2 8 3 4 7 10 5. So first we sort this array in ascending order. So it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 10. So this is our second problem to apply our previous approach. So here n is 10 and the element in the array is 6 1 2 8 3 4 7 10 5. So first we sort this array in the ascending order. So it will become 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 10. So we start traversing array from starting to the end of the array and check for each element. We check whether 1 is present and the array is not. So 1 is present. We move on the next element whether 2 is present in array or not. So 2 is already present. So we move on the next element. Here number is 3. So we move on the fourth element. Here fourth element is 4. So move on the next element. Here we find fifth element is 5. So we move on the next element. Here we find sixth element is 6. So we move on the next element. Here our element is 7. So we just move on the next element, and here our number is 8. So we move on the next element, but here our number should be 9 and here our number is 10. So we just return the number 9 that is missing. So our output will be 9. So let's apply our approach in the code. So here is our function name missing number, which receive an array and value n, that our array size is 1 to n minus, our array's element is 1 to n minus 1. So first we sort the array using arrays.sort, and we traverse from starting of the array to end of the array, and we check whether in which number is not present in the array. If any number is not present in the array, we just return the missing number, and if we find the number in the present, so our last number is not present in the array, so we just return the last number from the function. So just submit this code. Here you can see that our this approach is passed all the text cases successfully. So let's move on code and see what are the time complexity for this approach. So here sorting of the array cost big O of n log n time, and the traversing of the array cost big O of n time. So our whole time complexity for this approach is big O of n log n plus n time. So our time complexity will be big O of n log n time. So if you like our content, please like, comment and share this video, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.